Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we are in Reading, England, staying at the Novotel on Friar Street. It's a business hotel and they use key cards to enter the room. And the room isn't that big, but it has everything you need. What's strange about this is the toilet room is right next to the door when you walk in, but as I'll show you, the sink is around the corner. But when you come in, you have a little coffee station with some instant coffees and packets of milk, a safe that will hold a laptop, or a small laptop at least, which is good. There's the coat hanger, a small closet, some extra towels, and an ironing board should you need it. Whoops, excuse me. And as we go in, there is a almost full-length mirror, the TV. Let's go over to
I thought this was also neat, is that the overleaf is on wheels, so you can slide the desk out to have a corner desk, or if you wanted to have a meeting, or even for meals for two kind of thing in here, you can certainly do that.
So there's no storage, only a couple of drawers here that are more like there's shelves in one for the papers or whatever, I guess. Another odd thing is the hairdryer is under the desk, if you're looking for that. And here's a look at the room. It's got a couch. It is not a pull-out couch. At least I don't think it is. Looks too small to be. Oh, it is a pull-out couch. So that will turn into, looks like a single bed or so. Sorry. And there is the washroom. So it has a bathtub with a handheld rinser. And if we, so here's the sink. Plug is on the side, which is kind of strange, but does the job. And a shower on the other side here with a handheld in there. And let's just check the outlets. It has a USB on either side. That one seems to have trouble lifting up. And these are the side lamps. The reading lamps there. And this side has the standard UK plugs as well as some USBs. There you go. And yes, you have your phone. And looks like Ethernet maybe. They do have Wi-Fi in the building, so I don't know if that's still active. Plug outlet here and a Bluetooth radio. It's nighttime, so I'll try to take a video later of the curtains, of the view. There is no view in 309 here. Where is the open? There we go. And it's just a view out over the roof, which I don't think we can see anything. There you go. So, we'll try to get a better view when the day comes. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of the Novotel Reading. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave.